We waited a few days for this beautiful day to come about, Angelica.
Yes, here we are, December. We already had one storm and there's another one on the way. Now, here's the good news. Even though there's a chance for showers this weekend, it's going to be light rain. Not like the one we had yesterday or on Thanksgiving. We've had so many problems because of heavy rain, but this weekend is going to be a little bit different in the way of how much rain we get. 63 degrees right now in downtown San Diego. The outlook for the next couple of days looking dry tomorrow with a chance going up between 50 and 60% over the weekend, and then becoming drier as we go into next week. Right now, you can see in our satellite and radar, not much happening, just the way we like it. A lot more sunshine today, and as we zoom out, we find our storm system spinning over the ocean. You can see low pressure system is basically right here, and when you see the clouds wrapping around, that's a cold front with this storm system. And when you have a system that's stretching out that much, it's almost like taking a band and stretching it. As you stretch it farther and farther, it gets weaker, and that's exactly what happens with those storms as they stretch out. So it's good to see a frontal boundary like that in a scenario like ours. After so much heavy rain, it is good to have just lighter rain. The scenario would be most likely for Saturday and Sunday, but we could start to see some showers overnight. I think it's going to be so light you may not even notice it. Perhaps when you go to your car in the morning, it may be a little bit wet. You see here the average. Only about 1/10 of an inch in some areas. Otherwise, it's going to take some time before we actually accumulate it through the weekend. About 1/4 of an inch with some exceptions getting a little bit more. An average tonight, 48 in Ramona, 53 San Diego, and 51 in Carlsbad. As we fly around the county, look at that, a little bit better tomorrow, adding a couple of degrees, adding a little bit of sunshine in the morning, and temperatures back to the 70s in Poway. In Santee, 69, 66 in Mission Beach, in Del Mar, 65 degrees. And then as we travel over towards Escondido, a beautiful day, 69 degrees. Tomorrow, we'll see a lot more sunshine for the first half of the day. And then as that storm system approaches, we will start to see clouds building in the afternoon, and then eventually that chance of rain going up over the weekend, but again, it's going to be light rain for the weekend. 67 degrees on Friday, an average at the coast. We cool it down to the mid-60s Saturday, Sunday, with a chance for light rain throughout the day on Saturday, and also keeping that chance on Sunday before we dry out next week. Inland communities will stay in the mid-60s tomorrow. Some areas getting closer to 70 though. Saturday and Sunday, 67 degrees, and then on Monday, 64 under mostly sunny skies. In our mountains, 54 degrees. The winds there already turning out of the east, and because of that shift in the wind direction, we've seen a nice warm up today. Not too bad, just enough, and tomorrow adding a few more degrees.
Even better.
Yeah,
Thank you, Angelica.
beautiful blue skies.